Daihatsu Mira 2020 low mileage best budget Japanese car urgent sell. Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope all of you are doing great. Today I'm back with another budget-friendly Japanese car that's perfect for daily use, fuel saving, and family driving. If you're looking for a reliable small car with good resale and smooth performance, then watch this video till the end because this option is worth considering. Today's car is a Daihatsu Mira, model 2020, and it was registered in 2024. This is a Japanese import known for its excellent fuel average, low maintenance cost, and smooth city drive. The mileage of this car is 59,000 kilometers, which is very reasonable and genuine for this model year. Now let's talk about the condition honestly, because transparency is very important. This car has one-piece touch, the fender has been changed, and there is a bonnet touch-up. Everything is clearly mentioned so buyers know exactly what they are getting. Other than that, the car is straight, neat, and presentable, with no hidden issues. The engine condition is smooth and responsive, start is perfect, no abnormal noise, and no smoke. The gear shifts are smooth, making it very easy to drive in city traffic. Suspension is comfortable, brakes are fine, and steering response is light, which makes it ideal for daily commuting, office use, and even ride-hailing purposes. Inside the car, the interior is clean and well-maintained. Seats are in good condition, dashboard is neat, and all basic features are working properly. AC performance is good, which is very important in our weather. This car gives a comfortable driving experience despite being in the small hatchback category. One of the biggest advantages of the Daihatsu Mira is its excellent fuel average. If you are tired of high fuel costs, this car can really help you save money. It's a great option for students, small families, and anyone looking for a practical car with low running expenses. Now let's talk about documents. The car comes with clear documentation, ready for transfer. There are no legal issues, making it a tension-free purchase for the next owner. Just buy it, transfer it, and drive without worries. The demand for this Daihatsu Mira 2020 is 31,50,000. Considering the model year, registration, mileage, and overall condition, this is a reasonable demand in the current market. If you are genuinely interested, this deal is definitely worth checking out. The location of the car is Karachi, and inspection can be arranged for serious buyers. If you're looking for a reliable, economical, and easy-to-maintain Japanese hatchback, this Mira should be on your shortlist. So guys, that's all for today's video. If you like this detailed and honest review, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with friends who are looking to buy a car. For more details, pictures, or inspection, please inbox me directly. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video with another great car deal. Automobile Sparkles.